Okay, so I've changed the tire of my Nikola. I've put everything back together. The wheels powers on nicely. But there's a sound which is nagging me and which seems to be louder than usual. First I thought it was a fan, but upon closer inspection it doesn't seem even to be spinning. And it's quite loud, the noise, so don't have any idea what's causing this.